So, hello, my friend told me that, oh my god. What did you say? Say, I forgot.
Someone is copying me.
Oh.
That is the mean girl.
Hey,
That
ugly
is-
fucking bitch. Hey, bitch. Hey, bitch.
That is the mean.
Why the fuck you stole my other red flag? Blah. Blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. Don't worry, bestie. I got you. This ugly motherfucking bitch. I'll kill that. Try na roast this ugly bitch.
She copied my last name.
You bitch. Hey, pick me. Hey, pick me. You ugly. Hey, what do you think you're doing with mine? You're stealing. Yeah, but I'm also you. You cannot just take my look and pretend be me. Give it back. Sabihin mo, you are not the police. You are not in the list. You are not in the list, pick me, girl.
Sabihin mo, I'm a
Wow.
I'm a YouTuber.
Okay.
I'm videoing.
I'm